Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar. Submerge the shower head and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Breaks down toilet limescale like a hammer. Did you know how easy and cheap it is to get rid of limescale in the toilet? You only need a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with about 2 ounces of dish soap. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. The third ingredient is vinegar, about 10 ounces. Mix everything well so the salt dissolves. Pour the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle to make it easier to apply. Now pour it all over the toilet bowl, especially where limescale builds up. Don't forget under the rim. Leave it overnight to let the mixture work. In the morning, just flush the toilet and enjoy the cleanliness. This method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. Just a few drops down the drain are enough. You'll eliminate unpleasant odors for a long time. Ever since my grandma showed me this trick, I've been using it constantly. At first, I couldn't believe how brilliantly it worked. Additionally, it cleans all the impurities invisible to the naked eye that can eventually cause clogs. To prepare this fantastic solution, start by pouring 100 milliliters of dish soap into a container. Dish soap effectively dissolves grease and bacteria. Next, add a tablespoon of salt. Due to its abrasive properties, salt helps clean the drain, reduce bacteria, and eliminate unpleasant odors. The next ingredient in our mixture is vinegar. Pour 100 milliliters of vinegar into the container. It will also help break down grease and combat any bacteria. Mix everything thoroughly to combine. Now we can get to work. Go to the sink and sprinkle baking soda down the drain. Then pour in our mixture. Leave it overnight without using the sink. In the morning, close the drain and fill the sink with hot water. Once there's enough water, pull out the plug so that a strong stream of water flushes our mixture down. You have to try this. I never throw away tea bags. Not many people know that it has a hidden function that may surprise you. I'm sure you've never heard of it before, so I'm going to show you right now. First, prepare tea just as you normally do. Take the tea bag and place it in your cup, then pour hot water over it. Once the drink is ready, drink it, but don't throw the tea bag away. Set the tea bag aside and let it dry. It's best to gather a few used tea bags. This will make the trick I'm going to show you even more effective. Now it's time for the next step. Place the tea bags in the sink. Make sure to use the used ones, not fresh tea bags. Slowly pour hot water over the tea bags in the drain and leave them overnight. This will make the effect even better. In the morning, just remove the tea bags and throw them in the trash. You'll see that your drain will be clean and fresh. No unpleasant odors will come from it. This simple trick really works, and the best part is, it practically costs nothing. It's worth trying and seeing how well it works in your kitchen. This breaks down toilet scale better than a hammer. With this cheap method, you'll get rid of it once and for all. Prepare a glass container and add 100 milliliters of dish soap, which effectively dissolves grease and dirt. Then, add 1 tablespoon of table salt, which has abrasive properties and helps break down tough deposits. Now, pour in 300 milliliters of vinegar, one of the most powerful natural cleaning agents. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients well. The combination of salt and vinegar is a real powerhouse against scale buildup. Now, transfer the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle for easier application. Thoroughly pour it over the scale in your toilet and leave it for a few hours or overnight. During this time, the mixture will work intensively, dissolving even the most stubborn deposits. Flush the toilet, and that's it. The scale disappears and your toilet looks like new. You'll never have to scrub tough stains and limescale again. Clean your oven while you sleep. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. It works every time. Start by removing everything from the oven. Prepare a bowl and pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. Place the bowl in the oven. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and salt helps remove residue. Stir the water and vinegar mixture. Leave the prepared oven overnight. The heat from the water and the properties of the vinegar will dissolve the grime without you lifting a finger. The next day, dip a clean cloth into the water and vinegar mixture. Squeeze it slightly and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to this simple trick, your oven will shine without the use of chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. Your oven has never been this clean. Throw them into the shower drain, and the result will surprise you. First, remove the plug from the shower tray and take out the drain part. Every shower has a different drain. Here, you just need to unscrew it. Clean it from any hair if there is any. Thoroughly clean the drain in the shower tray with a sponge. Use warm water and plenty of dish soap. Scrub away all the grime. Soak the drain parts in water with baking soda and wash them. Then pour a liter of vinegar into a kettle and heat it up. Go back to the bathroom. Throw 2 aspirin tablets into the drain and pour vinegar over them. You'll hear bubbling and see foam. Now, boil water in the kettle and pour it down the drain. The hot water will flush the pipes, eliminating any clogs and unpleasant odors. That's enough to make the drain flow freely again. Reassemble the drain with the plug and enjoy a clean shower. This way, the problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds.